This video gives a detailed explanation of what email marketing is. So if you are someone that actually wants to venture into email marketing and you do not understand what it is, or you are someone who is just curious, wanting to know about what email marketing is, this video is that one video that gives you all the information about email marketing and how it works. So let's dive straight on into it. What is email marketing? Simply put, email marketing is an aspect of digital marketing that involves you sending emails to a group of people with the intention or the goal of promoting your products, your services, or with the goal of you building or nurturing relationships. Now, we have just said that email marketing is the act of you sending emails to a group of persons. I would love to inform you that this involves much more than logging into your regular email, composing an email, and sending it to people. Yes, it involves a whole lot more if you want to do email marketing. There are 4 basic things that you have to do for you to competently or effectively do what we call or what we refer to as email marketing. What are those things? Number 1, it involves you building an email list. Number 2, it involves you segmenting your email list, as it were. And number 3, it involves you setting up what we call email automations. And then the main deal, which is you sending your campaigns to your email list. I know for sure that it may be difficult for you to understand these 4 things that I've just explained. I will now give you a bird's eye view of how email marketing works. So even if you do not understand these 4 aspects right now, you would understand how email marketing works. Some persons have the misconceptions that when you do email marketing, you are promoting your product and services to persons who have not seen or heard of your brand before. Just as it is the case when you do social media marketing. Yes, when you run adverts on Facebook, on Instagram, you are actually selling your brand or your businesses to someone who has never ever heard of you before. That is what we call the cold audience. But as for the case of email marketing, it is very, very different. You are actually marketing your product to people who already know about you and people who have given you consent for you to send them emails. Yes, they by themselves gave you their email addresses, and you put all of these emails together, add them to a list. That becomes your email list. So please and please, if you are among those persons who have those misconceptions that when you do email marketing, you're actually promoting your business to people who have never heard about you before, this information is to correct that misconception. That for you to actually run email marketing, you must have an email list. Yes, your potential customers must have given you their emails. In effect, we are saying that the very first step for you to actually do email marketing is building an email list. Yes, a list of persons who we call subscribers who are genuinely interested in your business. Now, a case study that we can have can be a business named Sarah's Organic Skincare. Now let's imagine that the owner of this business, Sarah, actually wants to implement email marketing in this business. What we are saying that she needs to do is what? To first of all build an email list. Yes, she needs to develop a strategy that will make people who are interested in skincare products give her their emails. Yes, we mentioned strategy. As we move forward in this video, we will talk more about how to develop these strategies that you can use to grow your email list. So now let's imagine that Sarah have actually implemented those strategies and she now have, let's say, about 500 subscribers, 1,000 subscribers, 20,000 subscribers, as the case may be. Now it is time for her to start segmenting those emails so she can start sending more personalized emails. Take for example, she would create a segment called new subscribers. So any new email she gets, the person falls under that category of new subscribers. She would also create a segment called past customers. So anytime anybody from this new subscriber purchase a product, the person is automatically moved into the segment of past customers. And then she can also create a segment named engaged subscribers. This section also shows or is for people who regularly opens up her emails. So now let's imagine that after doing this segmentation, Sarah now have a new product that she wants to launch. All she just needs to do is what? Compose an email and send it to all those persons who are under the past customers segment. And automatically, all of those persons, because they have purchased from Sarah before, they would be interested in getting the new product that Sarah have just launched. Now, what makes this email marketing more effective? Because these persons have purchased products before, Sarah have their name and their email address. So while she's composing the email, she would address them by their name, saying, hey, you purchased this product before, but right now we have this other product that will be very, very effective for you. That would make that marketing more effective. And also, the persons who have gotten those products would also patronize her. The same thing goes for other segments that are there. We will talk more about some types of mails that you can send with email marketing shortly. Are you enjoying this mind-blowing information I am giving to you as to how email marketing works? Well, I am very sure that you are understanding exactly how I am breaking it down to the basics. All I want you to do right now is ensure you hit the like button, and if you are a new subscriber, do well to subscribe to this channel. Yes, subscribe to this channel because this is the one and only channel that gives you all the tips as to how you can be successful in your marketing processes. Do well to hit that like button now. Share this video so many other persons can benefit from this wonderful information that I am giving to you. And hey, let me know in the comment section below if you are enjoying this video. Just go there and say, thank you so much for this information. I am enjoying this video. Now, let's get back to our conversation. It is also very important to note that email marketing also involves you doing what we call email automations. So you see those persons who have fallen under the categories of new subscribers. You can actually automate a set of mails that would automatically drop to those persons immediately they fall into that category. Yes, you can set up welcome mails. You can also set up emails that will give them discount offers that will now push them into purchasing your product or patronizing your service, as it were. So with these automations, you don't have to type your emails manually. Even if you have 200,000 persons that joins an email list, those 200,000 persons would get the automated emails, as it were. It makes the process so easy. So all I have just mentioned in a short while is helping you understand how email marketing works. That number one, it involves you setting up an email list. Yes, a list of persons who would actually be interested in your product, get their emails and put them together in an email list. Number two, it involves you segmenting your email list. Number three, it involves you doing automations, and then it involves you sending email campaigns. You'd agree with me that it will not be so easy for you to do all of these things we have just mentioned right there with your regular Gmail account. This is where you need an email service provider. Yes, we have companies who have actually designed softwares that will do all of these things for you in just one click. Yes, some of these companies include MailChimp. We have Aweber. We have iContact. We have Infusionsoft, MailPoet, and the rest of them. So these companies basically help you effect all of these things we have mentioned all in one place. At this point, I am very sure that you understand exactly how email marketing works. In fact, you are no longer a novice when it comes to email marketing. But the question is, we now know how it works. How can we actually implement email marketing in our business as we have just highlighted. It is one thing to know how something works, and it's another thing to know how to do that thing yourself. At this point, I want to recommend to you our complete email marketing course. Yes, at V.S.L Concept ICT Academy, we actually offer specialized one-on-one training on email marketing. All you need to do is click on the link in the description below for you to get access to our email marketing course. And guess what? Because you are actually seeing this video or getting the information about this course from this video, you stand a mind-blowing chance of getting a 40% discount coupon code. The coupon code is also attached in the description below. As we gradually come to the end of this video where we have shown you how email marketing works, we implore you to do well to subscribe to this channel if it is the first time you are seeing a video from this channel. And ensure you like this video, and also ensure that you turn on post notifications so you can see so many other wonderful videos that we will drop on this channel. I can't wait to see you in our email marketing course. Thanks.